Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can manage keyboard input languages on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top. Then tap on the settings icon. In the settings page, scroll down and tap on General Management. Next, in here, tap on Samsung keyboard settings. Next, in here we tap on languages and types, and then go down and tap on manage input languages. Now in here, you can go down the list and update the language that you want to use. So tap on the update button on the language that you want to use. You can also tap on the download button for the language that you want to use, which is not already available on your device. Now at the top here, you can use the search button and you can put in the language. So Italian, Italiano, you can switch it on, you can update, or you can put in Italiano here to download the Italian Swiss. So download that language. Okay, once it's downloaded, you can switch it on or turn it off. I'm going to tap on the close button to close the filter. And this will show me all the available languages that I can use with this S23. Okay, so it's quite a long list of selection. I'm going to scroll all the way back up. And in here, I have two languages available. And namely, they are English and Vietnamese. So I can switch it off. I can switch off Vietnamese and just have English. I can switch it on to add more languages to my keyboard. Now if I open up my keyboard, you can see I can tap on this globe icon. So if I touch and hold on the globe, it will show me I have two languages available for me to switch over to use on my keyboard. So when I tap on this globe here once, if I tap on it once, it will rotate to the next language available in the list. And if I want to add more languages, I can go into manage input languages and I can turn on more languages. So say Arabic, I can switch it on. And now on my keyboard, I have an additional language that added to the list. And now I can choose Arabic, I can choose English or Vietnamese. So I can rotate them around as well by tapping on the globe icon. And that's it. That is how you can manage your Samsung keyboard language input on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.